Okay, so we're gonna be fixing the flat by removing the tire. First, you wanna come closer. You're gonna release the brakes. So it's open, and then because this is a quick release, you just like open and then screw it out. If you don't have a quick release, you could use like a wrench and like to screw the this part open, and it's out. Now I'm just gonna release the air out of the bike, so it's easier to take the tube out. You're gonna want to take out the valve part first, so it doesn't damage the valve. Once it's out, you're gonna use a lever to get the tire over. You could hold it in place with this part. And then try to like get one side of the bike tire over the rim. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out the valve part right now and bring it out, and then take out the whole tube. So this is where you usually like start to look for the hole in the tube. You like re-pump it up, but because I already did a video on that, I'm not gonna show it right now. I'm gonna show you how to put it back in. Okay, so you're gonna start with the valve, put it back inside. It's right here. Once it's through, make sure it's all the way, and then go around with your hand and like try to put the tube back in. Once that's done, you're gonna want to put back the tire over into the rim. So the last part is usually the hardest part, but you could use you could try to use the lever and try to like get the tube back over. This was kind of easier because like the inner tube was kind of deflated more, but if it's too if the inner tube have too much air, it would take a longer time. So I'm gonna put back the tire into the right here. Make sure it's like perfectly in, and then you could screw it back on. If it's too tight, it won't like close. So now I'm just gonna fix back the brake. And it's all good. That's it. Also remember to pump back your tire to the perfect PSI. So on the bike side, you can see right here it says 50 PSI. You're gonna want to look at the meter on the gauge on the pump, and pump it all the way to 50 40, 50. In the summer, you don't want to pump it all the way up. You can leave it a little bit like flatter than 50. But each bike have a different PSI. Okay, so I'm at 50 right now. So I'm just gonna like, you can see on the gauge. It says 50, and I'm just gonna unscrew the pump. That's it.